Greetings, how to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in Arkansas, United States. Welcome, I am Emre, webmaster of cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrency for investors living in Arkansas, United States. How to deposit money on Binance, how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy cryptocurrency. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps in the video. In the description section, you can use 20% commission kickback links and codes. This is our website cryptocurrencyusa.net. You can get all information about cryptocurrencies, how to buy cryptocurrency, how to buy Bitcoin with credit card, where to buy Bitcoin, videos, and news. Now we should go this page, list of top cryptocurrencies. In this page we can find best cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bancor, Ripple, Chainlink, and others. It's so easy. Now, how to buy Bitcoin? We should click info button. In this page we can get information about Bitcoin. Now, we are living in Arkansas, and how to buy Bitcoin? Just one click. Get BTC. Let's go.